Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my amazing French toast recipe. We're going to start with thick cut sliced bread. You can use any bread of your choosing, but this is the bread that I prefer. Now you're only going to need 6 slices of bread for this recipe that serves 2 people. So with the rest of my bread, I just put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer for later usage. And in a large skillet, I'm going to be adding in our butter, and in a bowl we're going to be adding in 4 large eggs, and for now I'm just adding in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and some cinnamon sugar, and we're gonna stir that up. And you want to stir it up really well because we don't want our vanilla extract sitting at the top of the egg wash. We're going to mix it up very well so that it's well incorporated onto our bread. Here I'm just adding in the final teaspoon of vanilla extract and stirring that up. And into our pan we're going to put our French toast. Here I'm just showing you that I've put all 6 slices into the skillet, and I'll be cooking it on each side for about 5 minutes or until each side is golden brown. Here, this step is optional. I'm just adding in some extra cinnamon sugar. Now I'm showing you that I flipped over the French toast and I'm letting it cook on the other side. And here we have it. So you can just stop here or you can go on to add some fruit. I only had frozen fruit, so I put it in a pot with 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of water. Heated that up on medium heat until it became a sauce and just poured it over my French toast. And I've added on my powdered sugar. And this is the finished product. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel where I post daily pescatarian, vegetarian, and vegan friendly meals.